How to fix app rewards not working. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the TikTok app on your device. Make sure you are signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Now, go to your profile by tapping on the profile option on the bottom right of your screen and further tap on the three lines on the top right of your screen. You will see the option for settings and privacy. Tap on that and further scroll down and tap on the report a problem option and then tap on the TikTok balance option. A drop-down menu will appear. Here tap on the live reward issues option. Next, go ahead and select any of the option here. It does not really matter. In the interface that you will then be led to, tap on the Need More Help option. Further, in the text box you see, enter your issue. Make sure to be very informative and descriptive about your issue for better responses from the support team, and further, simply follow the on-screen instructions provided by the support team and your app rewards issue will be fixed. So, this is how you can fix TikTok app rewards not working. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.